All right, what's going on, guys? Project Dirty back again. Today we're just going to be going over a quick video on how to remove the door panels on a C5 Corvette. I am doing it so I can get these monstrosities out. Just going through, doing some weight reduction. We did a radio delete and got a block off plate in the center console. So there's no point in dragging around 15 pounds of speaker. So we're gonna go through. You can use this for like just replacing your speakers if you got to replace a door regulator. This pretty simple deal, but we are gonna go over how to remove the door panel. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta take off the trim piece that goes around the door handle. Make sure you use something that you don't want, that won't scratch it. This does take quite a bit of force. So just kind of take your time and be ginger with it. Now the next thing you gotta do, and I found a T30 screwdriver works the best. You have your little access panel here. There's two T30 screws that go in there. I already got these ones pulled out, but just pull those out. And then after that, you just work around and pop out. It has a bunch of the little Christmas tree fasteners, and then you'll be free. And then from the top you just lift up. So I'm probably gonna have to set the phone down and show you after I get it off. So this is what you got once you're done. You know, you can access your speakers, your door module, regulator, all that stuff. So whatever your reason to get back here is, you should be there. It's pretty simple, but make sure you take out the two T30 screws is the big thing here, if you don't want to break your door panel. So that's where I know I was lost for a little bit. You might be also. So yeah, with that, we're out.